You've probably been told that if you want it bad enough, you will have it, right? Have you tried to want it bad enough and it didn't happen? Well, you know why? That's because change is hard. A lot of people think that it's very, very easy to change, and so because of that, they struggle to actually make the change they want to make happen in their lives, personally and professionally, and for a long time, that will not happen. Now, this is a new year, this is 2021. You will most likely end this year the same way you started every other year in your life, without any productive performance, and you wonder, look back and say, have I done with this 2021? Well, I don't want that to happen to you. And so this Sunday, I'm hosting a free webinar to share with you the untold secrets of personal change. Why is change difficult? How can you make change happen? How can you simplify the process of change in such that both personally and professionally, you can easily make change happen even when the odds are stacked against you? If you're interested in that, which I believe you must, because this is not like 2020. This is probably maybe a progression of 2020, or maybe a new year completely. You don't even know. Which is why it's important to learn right now how to handle the changes that are going to be happening in your life. And more importantly, how to make the change happen. That is, rather than waiting by default for the change to take place, you actually becoming more proactive and intentional and letting it happen by design. So if you are interested in that, go ahead and register for the webinar that I have coming up on Sunday. The link is simply diresamuel.com/webinar. Very, very simple. My name is Dyer Samuel, and so you can go ahead and register right now at diresamuel.com/webinar. And I'm going to see you during that webinar. In fact, you can even invite your friend, or you know somebody that has been struggling to change, perhaps a habit, an addiction, maybe they've been trying to change a behavior, or they've been trying to change their performance in life or in their business, or even maybe in their workplace. Those are the kind of persons you would be invited. And if you fall into any of such categories, go ahead and register right now. I'm going to see you during the webinar.